and this installation is now complete. As you can see, this Doorking sits nice and flush inside that brick wall, and you can see the display. We can now scroll down and the display will show us the residents of the units, and then we can just call them through the unit, and by doing that they will activate the electric strike which is in the door and allow entry to their visitors. So again, a nice improvement, much nicer looking unit, a bit of a facelift, and instead of being stuck inside that little cavity here, it's now out in the street, so that makes it a lot more accessible for everybody and easier for them to find it. That's it. Ron for Mulholland Security in West Hollywood, California.